Why PV safety matters. Across rooftops and open fields, solar panels promise a cleaner future. But behind that promise lies a powerful, often misunderstood force: direct current electricity. When things go wrong, they go wrong silently and fast. These images aren't from far-off disasters. They're real examples of what can happen when PV systems are not installed correctly, when safety protocols are skipped, or when no one was prepared to respond. DC arcing is invisible until it's catastrophic. Once it starts, it can't be stopped with a regular circuit breaker. The sun becomes the source of power, and unless it's blocked, the flow continues. First responders often hesitate, not because they lack bravery, but because they aren't trained for solar risks. That's why we're here, to raise awareness, to share what we know, and to help every stakeholder, from insurers and engineers to safety officers and fire chiefs, understand the real risks and how to make PV systems safe. This isn't about products, it's about prevention. Welcome to the PV Safety and Risk Awareness webinar.